Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Are grapes good for diabetics? Today let us see how grapes make a good choice for people with diabetes, the nutritional value of the fruit that follows with a healthy recipe of grape smoothie. Let us start. Diabetes is a chronic disorder which occurs when the pancreas are unable to secrete enough insulin. In fact, obesity is also one of the significant factors that cause diabetes among individuals. Hence, maintaining body weight becomes much essential to avoid further complications and for successful treatment of type 1 and type 2 diabetes. There are a few food items good for lowering blood glucose level, among which fruits are the ideal choice for diabetics. Eating fruits like grapes in moderation will supply the right amount of fiber to an individual, and fruits have low glycemic index, which is a critical factor for diabetics. Now let us see how grapes are a good choice for people with diabetes. A significant phytochemical, resveratrol, that is present in the low-calorie fruit, grapes, helps to maintain glucose levels by effectively modulating the secretion and activity of insulin. If you are eating 1 cup of either green, purple or red grapes in a day, you are satisfied and you are getting enough of vitamins and fiber. Moreover, being a low-calorie snack, it is not only good for your skin but also possesses significant health benefits. Now let us count the nutritional value of grapes. It is rich in several vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that help in building healthy bones, healing the body and helping in the absorption of iron. The amount of resveratrol in grapes helps in the regulation of blood sugar, and it is advisable to eat only the least processed form of grapes that has the maximum benefits. It is advisable for a person with diabetes to eat 15 grapes in a day that will not harm the blood sugar level. Now let us prepare a grape smoothie for diabetics. Please note down the ingredients. You need red or green grapes 1 cup, pomegranate seeds half cup, chia seeds 1 tablespoon and unsweetened almond milk 1 cup. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. However, I conclude that portion control of the fruit is necessary for people with diabetes, and healthy planning of the meal with regular exercise will be a smart way to control diabetes and to remain healthy. Thank you.